I'm Chef Asata with Small Bites Adventure Club, and today we are making a DIY salad. DIY stands for do it yourself. That way you get all of your favorite ingredients in one salad. What are you going to put in your DIY salad? So we're going to make our DIY salad with Kali today. Start with a plate, and then you can pick your green. Do you want lettuce, arugula, spinach?
Lettuce.
Some lettuce? Okay. We'll take about a cup of lettuce. Lay that on your plate. Good job. Now let's think about our crunch. We've got some crunchy ingredients here, like radishes and cucumbers. What would you like to add to your salad?
Cucumber.
Okay. And how many cucumbers are you going to add? You want to count them out?
Sure.
Okay.
1.
All right. What else you got?
2. 3.
Okay.
4.
4.
5.
5. 6. Wow, you're going to eat 6 cucumbers? That's so awesome. What about a protein? Do you want any sunflower seeds or pecans in your salad? Or you could use cheese. We've got some shredded Parmesan and
I'll
feta
put some
cheese.
cheese on later.
Okay, so you're going to go with the sunflower seeds? All right, that's good. Nice little pinch of sunflower seeds. Okay, do you want any herbs? We've got some great herbs today. We've got some basil, parsley, mint, or thyme.
Mint.
Okay, you can pick those little leaves off and toss them right in your salad. That mint is delicious in salads. All right, the next thing we can add is some fruit. We have strawberries, blueberries, oranges, and apples. That's going to give a nice sweet taste. Apples? Cool. I'll bring them over here by you. I know you love apples. And apples and cucumbers go really well together, so that was a great choice.
Get some more of this.
And mint and cucumbers go really well together. That's a great looking salad. You know the only thing that's missing?
What?
Our 1, 2, 3 vinaigrette. We're going to have to get our 1, 2, 3 vinaigrette. Okay, I've got our 1, 2, 3 vinaigrette. Why don't you give it a shake? Woo! Shake it, shake it, shake it. All that energy and shaking is what helps the 1, 2, 3 vinaigrette emulsify so that our vinegar and our oil all come together in our vinaigrette.
What does emulsify mean?
Emulsify is when two things that don't like to come together kind of are forced to come together, like the oil and the vinegar. Once you shake them up, shake them up, shake them up, they come together and they form our vinaigrette. Let's take a look. I'm going to pour some in here, and then you can pour it on your salad. See? It all looks like one smooth dressing. You can't tell the oil droplets from the vinegar droplets. It all comes
Because you can't
together.
see it.
Yeah, it's all emulsified. Okay, now you can pour that on your salad. Ooh, nice. That is ready to eat. I'm excited. You excited? Why don't you try a little cucumber right there with some vinaigrette on it?
About this one.
Okay, I know you love cucumbers. Big bite. What do you think?
It's good.
It's good? Yay! Well, thanks for joining us today, Kali. Have fun making our DIY salad with you. You can go enjoy your salad, okay? We'll see you later. You want to tell everybody goodbye? Bye!